The Japanese have a word that is hard to translate into English. Ma. It means the space between things, the empty areas that make everything else more beautiful. Where Western culture thinks emptiness is bad, Japanese philosophy sees it as something good and important. For over 1,000 years, Japanese culture has made simplicity a big part of their life. From peaceful Zen gardens to quiet tea ceremonies, these ideas can help us find peace. Today, we will learn 3 Japanese ideas for living a simple life. In old Japan, a tea master named Senno Rikyu changed how people did tea ceremonies. He took away all the fancy decorations. He used simple clay cups instead of golden ones. He used small rooms instead of big halls. This showed wabi-sabi, which means finding beauty in things that are not perfect. Wabi-sabi teaches us that trying to make everything perfect makes life harder. We buy too many things trying to make our homes look perfect. We get tired trying to make ourselves look perfect to others. This need for perfection fills our minds with worry. The wabi-sabi way accepts things that are not perfect. A cup with a small crack has a story to tell. When we accept imperfect things, we stop needing to buy so much. This changes simplicity from feeling like you're missing out to feeling free. A woman named Yamashita Hideko created an idea called Danshari using Zen teachings. The word means 3 things together. First, do not accept things you do not need. Second, throw away things that fill up your space. Third, stop feeling like you must own many things. This is different from just cleaning up because it changes how you think about your stuff. Having too much stuff is not really about storage space. It is about our feelings and memories tied to things. Danshari asks one simple question about everything you own. Does this help my life right now, today, not yesterday, not maybe tomorrow, right now? This question helps you stop making excuses for keeping things you do not use. Japanese writing with brushes shows this idea well. Each stroke must be done carefully. The artist knows exactly what is needed before starting. You can also use Danshari for thoughts and feelings. We hold on to angry feelings from the past and worry about things that might never happen. Let go of these thoughts just like you let go of old things. Ma is not just emptiness. It is powerful space that makes everything around it better. Traditional Japanese homes show this clearly. Rooms are not filled with furniture everywhere. Big open spaces let in light and shadows. The empty space creates room for calm thinking and being aware. In our lives today, we have removed all the ma. Our schedules are full every single hour. Our minds are full of thoughts every moment. We are scared that empty time means wasted time. Japanese philosophy says the opposite is true. The space between activities is when we learn and grow. The quiet space between thoughts is when we understand things clearly. To live simply, you need to create ma on purpose. Leave open times in your calendar, sit quietly without picking up your phone, let conversations have comfortable silence. These empty spaces are not holes that need filling. They are important parts of a calm, simple life. Japanese philosophy sees simplicity as something you practice and grow, not a place you reach. A poet named Matsuo Basho wrote that the secret is simply what is happening right here, right now. Simplicity means coming back to what is actually here today. It means seeing clearly and living fully in each moment that will never come again. The path of simplicity starts wherever you are, with whatever small action you can do today. Only that is enough. And write in comments that I will live a simple and a happy life. Thank you for watching.